without have no soul.
Today's video is actually about nothing. I cleaned the car like I always do. Audi is still there. Took out the AMG. Actually ordered new wheel bolts, which I will get right now. Now this bad boy has been standing here for 3 weeks, which is actually quite a lot. But it's for sale. Selling a car is a special experience, to say the least. Especially when it's an old German car. You get a lot of weird phone calls, sadly. But the car runs unbelievably good. Works really, really good. Their suspension light is still on. Here is the reason why. The rear wheel bearing is also broken. Need to be replaced. Already have 2 brand new ones. And I'm selling it for actually quite a reasonable price, basically 2,800 euros. So for this car, it's absolutely nothing. Brakes a little bit. See, everything works great. Let's park her up once again. After the location to film, I found this car, which is a really old, really ugly Volvo. But the condition of this damn car looked like brand new. Wow, look at this. But God almighty, this cars are much better these days. Ugh. Another cool car I found at the parking lot. Look at this, it's the brand new 911. Carrera 4S, black rims, yellow, fucking gorgeous, gorgeous car. I love that he has the number plate that glued on basically. Looks really cool. On to the location. One thing that's good with the coronavirus is the price of gas has gone down. Really good. I love these days. Did some touch up on small parts, and on the other side as well. There's an GT43 that just drove past, but it's yeah. Yes. Oh, sounds so good. Oh my God, what a moon run. And pick up my mom. So it's like I said, relaxing day here on Outcornered. There is the coronavirus, and that means that basically all of Europe is closed, and that also includes my job. So I'm free actually, which is quite nice. I'm not very often free, so it's nice to actually take a break. But according to my boss, I'm not free. I'm temporary, not at the work, but should be available at any time soon, and of course I'm definitely available anytime soon. But now I'm gonna go and pick up my mom in the AMG. So that's basically what I'm gonna do. My mom doesn't like cars, and she thinks basically this car is for idiots. When your mom is in the car, you do the speed limit. She's happy. She's happy. To get the car parked, I have to go through the woods. Very symbolic. The hunt for car parts. Where are the car parts? So, the best part, wheel locks I really need this. I've said to myself I ordered this a year ago, 2 years ago, and now I finally did it. Let's open this box up. And I bought the wheel locks are from H&R, and they are with locking bolts, of course. Here they are. So this is for the front, and this, the smaller ones, are for the rear. They get two different keys. I don't know if they are the same. Doesn't look like that way. Let me see. Oh yes. Looks much better with the black rims or the black wheel nuts, and now we have a locking bolt also for them, which is handy dandy. Now let's do it all around the car. The car is parked up. Last day with the Audi A6. Hopefully a guy is come and look at the car today. And I have to say, it's been an absolute pleasure owning this car over the years, because it's a super duper practical car. It's super duper fun to drive, especially in the snow. Hey hey. But here there is no snow, so there is no need for the Quattro. So hopefully a guy will come today and pick this car up. It's been standing here for like a month now, absolutely just rotting away here in the parking. So fun. That's someone gonna finally, hopefully.